Today, we are observing a field operation at Liveland Company's timber yard, where the Senebogen material handler is performing its task with impressive strength and precision. While this is a routine scene in the timber harvesting and processing industry, it showcases a sophisticated coordination between humans, machinery, and professional operating procedures. From the very first moments, the Senebogen was skillfully maneuvered toward the log collection area. The operator sits in an elevated cabin, a distinctive feature that enhances visibility and ensures complete control over every crane movement. Large bundles of logs are neatly stacked on the ground, awaiting their turn to be loaded onto trucks for transportation to the processing facility. The hydraulic grapple slowly opens, gently embracing a long bundle of logs before tightening with just the right amount of force. Not too strong to avoid breaking or shifting the bundle, yet firm enough to lift it safely. With its crane arm capable of rotating and extending, the Senebogen raises the bundle high, then swings it smoothly toward the waiting truck parked beside it. Every movement is fluid and precise to the exact degree, as if the machine has long been accustomed to the rhythm of this work. The bundle is carefully lowered into the truck bed, fitting perfectly into the prearranged space. Once the logs are released, the crane arm immediately retracts and readies itself for the next load. And so, the process is repeated multiple times, yet not a single movement is wasted or out of place. This is the result of the seamless collaboration between the smart design of modern machinery and the skilled craftsmanship of the operator. The workflow is continuous, but never rushed. The logs are neatly stacked, maximizing the available space in the truck bed while ensuring even weight distribution, a crucial factor for safe transportation when the truck leaves the yard. The entire scene stands as a testament to the efficiency, safety, and professionalism of modern industrial logging operations. The Senebogen is not just a tool, it serves as an extension of the human hand in heavy-duty work, reducing physical strain while significantly boosting productivity. In the context of where mobility, power are increasingly essential, Volvo FH16 HEM 583 would top choice in many countries for industries such as Germany and Estonia. The Volvo FH16 log collection site, where tree trunks have been gathered, 8x4 configuration, 150 horsepower in drivetrain. The F just a transportation vehicle main power source for the truck is positioned, allowing easy access, while the chip trailer is partly receive the output from the chip. After parking the truck and securing it with hydraulic stabilizers, the operator moves into the control cabin, typically a standalone unit located above or beside the chipper, equipped with a swivel chair, electronic control panels, and a modern monitoring display. The operator activates the PTO power takeoff system, which transfers power from the truck's engine to the Jens HEM 583 chipper. Within seconds, the sound of the chipping drum comes to life, powerful and steady, like the heartbeat of a giant industrial machine. The entire system, from the in-feed conveyor and chipping drum to the chip-blowing fan, operates in perfect synchronization and is continuously monitored on the control screen. In front of the chipper is a high-powered hydraulic grapple, functioning like a robotic arm, fully controlled via joystick. The operator uses it to pick up each log, which can range from 2 to 6 meters in length and up to 56 centimeters in diameter, and carefully place them onto the in-feed conveyor, leading to the chipping drum. This step demands skill and precise coordination between vision, hand control, and operational awareness. A single misplacement or feeding the wood too quickly could cause the system to jam or become unstable. As soon as the wood makes contact with the chipping drum, the processing begins. The drum spins at high speed, carrying a series of specially designed steel blades arranged around its circumference. The logs are sliced into small uniform pieces known as wood chips, typically ranging from 10 to 50 millimeters in size, depending on the settings. Simultaneously, a high-capacity centrifugal fan at the rear of the system draws in all the freshly produced wood chips and blasts them through a duct with tremendous pressure. The sounds of wood being shredded, chips being suctioned, and air rushing through the pipes combine to form a mechanical symphony unique to the timber industry. Instead of falling freely, the chips are directed through an adjustable discharge chute, capable of rotating up to 240 degrees to accurately aim into the trailer. Usually, the trailer is pulled in by another Scania or Volvo truck, parked closely behind the chipper to receive the output. Blowing the chips directly into the truck bed minimizes handling steps, reduces labor costs, and helps maintain a cleaner work environment. Once the trailer is full, it leaves the site, and another one takes its place, allowing the chipping operation to continue uninterrupted, creating an efficient, continuous workflow. And so, the process continues in a seamless cycle, grabbing logs, feeding them into the machine, chipping them into smaller pieces, blowing the chips into the trailer, and transporting them away. With a productivity rate of 100 to 160 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, the Volvo FH16 and Jens HEM 583 combo can efficiently supply high-capacity facilities such as paper mills, wood pellet plants, and biomass power stations. The fusion of mechanical power from the Volvo FH16, the efficient wood processing technology of the Jens HEM 583, and the skilled control of the operator has resulted in a modern, mobile chipping system, powerful, precise, and cost-effective. This setup is more than just a mobile production line. It is a vivid example of how advanced technology can be applied to natural resource industries, promoting sustainable efficiency and steering toward greener development. Thank you for watching the video.